Alright guys, so some group of video editors said there's no way one can create motion designs using Capcut, and I said no. Guys, you can do that. Although I understand that Capcut was not really meant for motion designs. You get my point? It wasn't really meant for motion designs. So, but if you know how to use CapCut very well, guys, you can still create some motion designs using CapCut. Not all. You get my point? Yes, because some people feel without Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or those bigger softwares that you cannot create motion design. So I use CapCut and I want to show you that you can still do it. You get my point? So what I'll do right now is I'll click on new project and I'll import a background from CapCut library. You get my point? So guys, I am on CapCut library right now. So I'm going to background. So I'm going to select this green background. So I'll click on OK right now. You get my point? All right, so I just brought in the background and it's a green background. You get my point? Now I don't want to waste time. Let's go straight to the point. Now go to text. Click on text. Now click on add text. Yes. Now tap on this number button. Then click on underscore. Tap on underscore. Understand? You have something like this. So you can just leave it right there, not too much. Understand? So you can go to font. When you go to font, you come down. Let's look for Coda. Maybe let me just search. Let me search for Coda. Okay, look at Coda here. So I select Coda. You get my point? So I want it to be thick. That is why I select this Coda. So you click on this cancel button, and if you want to use this white color, fine. But if you want to use another color, you can come to style, then come to this color picker right here and select a different color, any color of your choice. You get my point? But I like it to be white. You get my point? So I'll click on OK and leave it there at white. So guys, please follow it step by step. It's something you would want to be using. Understand? You get my point? So now you click on this OK button. So you will want to extend this. Just tap on the first layer, which is the green background, and drag it. Can extend it to maybe 5 seconds. Then you tap on this one, come here and look for lasting text. Click on lasting text. It will take it to the end of the video, from the beginning to the end of the video. You get my point? Now what you do next is to click on duplicate. Once you duplicate it like this, you'll be able to detach it. So you can bring it down like this. Now tap on the first one, drag it up. You want to centralize everything. You want to create kind of a box with it. So now you click on duplicate again and bring it down. This time around, go and look for basic. Click on basic, click on rotate. Rotate it 90 degrees. Now it's on 90 degrees. So you are going to go to position. Now bring it to the beginning of that line. So just keep moving it to be something like this. You get my point? Now tap on the line below. Understand? You can use your finger to adjust it to make sure it aligns. So click on OK. You get my point? Guys, please follow it step by step and make sure you like and share this video. Click on duplicate again. Once you duplicate it, you get my point. You can now come to basic, click on rotate, and rotate it. I think we've duplicated 2 times, but I will check if we've done it 2 times. So still 90 degrees, then bring it here, make sure it aligns at the end here. Aha, so something like that. Let's check if we have 4 layers. Oh wow, so I did 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm gonna delete one. You get my point. So meaning I will still have to tap on this one, then duplicate it, go to basic, then rotate it. You get my point. Still 90 degrees, 90 degrees, then move it to make sure it aligns at the end. Just try your best to align it. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our video editing tips. You get my point? So this is just it. So when you are done with this, you click on OK. Now the next thing for you to do is to click on add text again. We need to add another text. Now this time when you want to add the text, you add dot. Now this dot is what we add. Now we go to font. We are going to change the font. We are going to use system font, which is normal circle. You get my point? But you are going to expand it, make it big. You get my point? Make it big like this. So you go to style. When you go to style, you go to glow. Now select this one. You get my point? I believe you get my point. So when you select glow, you're going to have something like this. You can expand it. You can make it small depending on the size you want it to be. Now you can come here and increase the intensity. You get my point? Can increase the range. I like it to be 100 like this. Now one thing you need to know is that you can even change the color of this dot. You can decide to use another color. If you want to use the white color, fine. If you want to use another color, it's still fine. Maybe black, or maybe this, or any color of your choice you want to use. So but you don't need to use green since we have green as our background. You get my point? So maybe we are going to select something like no, this is not fine. Let's go to the beginning. Maybe we are going to use that white. You get my point? Let's use white. So guys, what you need to do is you come here, you just drop it here. You can decide to drop it right here, understand, at the edge of this, but you can make it small a little, understand, so it will be nice. So make it small a little so it will be nice, something like this. So you tap on animation. When you click on animation, now please pay close attention because we want to apply just this animation, this particular animation. You get my point? So it will be something like this. So if drag it to the beginning of the video, now tap on it and click on lasting text because we are going to take it to the end of the text. So where is lasting text? So you click on lasting text right now, so it will take it to the end of the video. So this is how it's going to be. You get my point? So that's just it. Now what you need to do is you tap on the dot layer, add keyframe at the beginning, you move the video a bit. Now you need to calculate that this particular layer here must go round the four sides. You get my point? So you can use from here, then drag it to this point. You can drag it to this point. You get my point? Then you move a bit. Move it a bit like this. So you can come to basic. Now click still on that rotate. So you rotate it to minus 90. Don't worry if it moves away from the normal position. Then you can still drag it. Use your finger to bring it here. You get my point? Then you can leave it there and click on OK. So now you move it again somewhere here. Now drag it to this other angle. When you drag it to this other angle, you move a bit again. So you go to basic and still rotate it minus 180. So you use your finger to bring it to align. You get my point? So you move it again. Can move it again, bring it down to the end, to this one below. Just the way you did the other one. Guys, I believe you are following. So something like this. Not too much. Then you can now rotate it like this. Rotate it 270. Then use your finger to bring it to align like this. You get my point? And then you move towards the end like this, then drag it to the end. Guys, I believe you get my point. So with this, if you play this video right now, this is what you are going to get. Let's play the video. You get my point? So you can decide to come here and change the animation if you want to. You get my point? You can decide to reduce the seconds, the time. Maybe you leave it at 0.1, so it will not take time before it appears. So this is how it's going to be. You get my point? So this is a motion design. Now if you want to make it very nice, you click on this navigation button, come here, come to audio, come to sound effects. You get my point? Okay, now you are going to select gear. So you type here, just type gear, to click on search. You get my point? So if you tap on you get my point? So you can select this particular one. So after adding the gear sound, you can duplicate this sound. You get my point? Click on duplicate. Now play the video. Now you just tap on this one to make sure it continues from where the first gear stops. So even if it wants you to duplicate like 3 or 4 times, guys, it is still part of it. You get the sound correct. You get my point? So that's just it. So guys, when you are done adding the sound, it will be something like this. So that is very, very okay. So I'll export this video now to my gallery. You get my point? Then I'll still bring it back and bring in another background so that I'll apply it. I know I chose this green background so that I'll be able to use it as green screen. You get my point? So I want you to see the difference. You want you to see how it's going to be on a different background. You get my point? So let me click on done and click on new project, then bring in a new background. All right, so I just brought in this background. You get my point? So now I want to apply that particular effect we just created. So I'll click on add overlay and bring in the green screen effect because it's now a green screen effect. All right, so look at it here. You get my point? So what we are going to do is to go to remove BG. You go to remove BG, click on it, tap on chroma key, move the color picker to where it shows green. You get my point? So you can increase the intensity to like 30, or you can even leave it at 20. You get my point? Click on this fader, clean up edge. You get my point? You can click on it a little, or you can decide to leave it. It's still not having any issue. Then you tap on OK. You get my point? Now if I want to apply it here to make it a bit good for this, I'll have to expand it. I will expand it to the size of this image right here. So if I have to leave it right here, then this is how it's going to play. But it's not fine this way. So I'll have to tap on this navigation button, then go to animation, click on animation, then add fading animation. Then I'll increase it to 1.5 seconds. You get my point? Now click on OK. So another thing I'll have to do is go to speed. I'll go to speed, tap on normal, then I'll increase it to 2. You get my point? So as it is revealing the line, it's also revealing the video on the background. So it will be something like this. You get my point? So that is emotion design. This is what you just created now is emotion design. But people do not know that you can use Capcut to do this. So I just have to show you people a little tip of what you can create with Capcut. Understand? Now this is emotion design. You can decide to at the end you just use it for your intro or use it for your outro. You get my point? There are different methods of creating this motion design using Capcut. If you want to learn more of this, let me know in the comment section, then I will be taking my time to explain for you guys. So I don't want to waste much time. So from here you can now export your video to your gallery, something like this. You get my point? And if you're looking for Capcut Pro, please make sure you DM me. The link is in the description of this video. You get my point? So you send me a message on WhatsApp, I'm going to reply you. So without wasting much time, see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.